Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged battery and a stable surface. First, shut down and unplug the charger. Remove USB and SD cards to avoid shorts. Now perform a hard power reset by holding Refresh plus Power for about 10 seconds. This clears temporary firmware glitches that often disable keys. Once done, boot to the login screen and test the keyboard. If keys still misbehave, make sure the issue isn't an external peripheral conflict before proceeding. You now identify mechanical versus software faults by using the on-screen keyboard and a keyboard tester. If a physical key is sticky or unresponsive, gently pry the keycap from the corner using a spudger. Do this slowly to avoid breaking the clips. Clean any debris with short bursts of compressed air and a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Let it dry. Then align the plastic retainer and press the keycap back evenly until it snaps. This restores proper contact. Once mechanical fixes are done, update Chrome OS because drivers and keyboard firmware patches fix persistent issues. Go to Settings, About Chrome OS, then check for updates and restart. If problems persist, perform a power wash as a last resort after backing up your files. This rules out software corruption. If keys remain dead, you likely need a replacement keyboard assembly. Order an OEM part or contact service. Troubleshooting tip: if replacement still fails, test with a USB keyboard to confirm motherboard or connector faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.